Hey, stop it! Stop it!
Oh yeah, I can.
Stop talking. Stop laughing.
You eating chicken? Yes, it's good. Alright.
Gio. You make your mom's face, you know, your mom puckers her lips and goes, you know what I'm talking about? That's the face you made. Which is like, whatever, you know what I mean?
She just wanted to show emotion.
Johnny. No, it was
No,
like her mad face. It wasn't like, she was like, you talking about? You know what I'm talking about. Like, don't talk to me about that, you know what I mean? One of those things. Johnny.
Hey, don't do that.
Johnny. Damn. Tell him to do it again, Justin. Tell him to do it again. Tell him to do it again, Justin.